This new method truly works, and there are people who make hundreds of thousands of dollars completely passively with this strategy. But a lot of the people ask me, is it even legal? Yep, it's 100% legal and it works in all countries around the globe. This is by far one of the easiest ways to make money online, and we have never talked about it earlier on this channel. So it's a brand new and fresh strategy, and if you are smart enough, you will pay attention to every detail on this video, because what you will learn today can completely transform everything. So everyone, welcome to Profit-Preneurship channel, where I bring you the best make money online strategies every single day. And right before we begin, make sure that you drop a like to this video and leave a thumbs up down below, because it will really help our channel to keep growing, and this way we can bring you the latest strategies on digital marketing. And if you haven't already done so, do yourself a favor by clicking the right subscribe button with notifications on, and I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So anyways, let's begin with this step-by-step tutorial. And if you want to learn more strategy on how to make thousands of dollars per month, stay until the end of this video, because I have a special free bonus training for you, so you can start today with your own business and start making high ticket commissions. It is very important that you watch the entire video so you don't miss out on any important step. So now let me take you to the computer and let's begin today's strategy. So the first website which I would like you to go today is Amazon.com. This is the website that everybody has used before, and I'm gonna show you how you can use this website to make money. So you will actually come to Amazon.com and you will put here Kindle books, okay? And what you will do is you will click on books, and actually you will see all the different titles that appear here, and you can as well search by genre. So if you click on books, you go romantic, you go German people, you go erotic. So as you can see, there are so many books over here, and this one has got 2,500 reviews. And just think that not every single person that will read a book will leave a review, but over here this one has got 340 reviews, this one 142 reviews. So you can see if it's been sold for, let's say 14, in this case it says 14 euros or $14, you can see how much potential is out there, you know. So if you sell 2,000 units at $14 each, that will be already $28,000 in profit from a single book. And as you can see here, there are different languages as well, and you can search by different authors. But the good thing about it is in different languages you can as well write your ebooks in different languages, okay? So you will have to just choose the genre and do a little bit of research to see what topics you could actually write about. And then it'll be very simple. You need to come to Amazon, and then you will need to register to self-publish your book, okay? So you will go into Google, and then you could click self-publishing book, and then we're gonna go for Amazon kdp.amazon.com, and then you will come to this website, and it will be very simple. You can actually sign in with your Amazon account, and you will be able to sign up as well if you haven't got an Amazon account. And as you can see on this website, it says you will be able to self-publish your books and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon, okay? So this means that Amazon is actually doing all the hard work for you, because they are going to be doing all the marketing for you. And you might be wondering, okay, so how am I gonna write these books? Okay, so you will go, as you can see, you will go to Google and wanna put ghostwriter, and you're gonna put this because ghostwriting, I want to show you that for you to be able to write the books, you can get someone else, find a professional ghostwriter to write the book for you. And if you're wondering whether if it's legal or illegal, you can say in Google you can type is ghostwriting legal, and then legal ghostwriting is a form of unbundled legal services in the United States. So as you can see here, you don't have to be a writer, you can have someone else to write it for you, and then you could actually make money by selling your books on Kindle.amazon.com. So as you can see, as I saw you on Amazon, there are so many different books that you could actually write, and then what you need to do is you need to get a ghostwriter. So I'm gonna show you 3 websites where you can get your ghostwriter services, so somebody can write the book for you. Okay, so you go to freelancer.com, click on Google freelancer.com. So as you can see here, you can browse the different jobs, and let's look for a ghostwriter. Let's see what appears. Ghostwriter. Okay, so even if you put writer, you're gonna see all the different job posts over there. So this is people that are actually writing articles. So you can do it for $97, and to be honest, getting this type of work won't cost you more than, let's say, between $100 to $300 for your article. I mean, for your book. And once that you self-publish your book in Amazon, you're gonna be receiving commissions on the daily basis when you selling the book. So what you need to do is you need to sign up with the website with Freelancer, and then you can start looking for people, and then you can contact them and send them messages, and then they're gonna tell you what the price. They might ask you how many words you're gonna write, and then they will give you a price accordingly. Okay. Another website I'm gonna show you where you can get ghostwriters from is called Upwork.com. So you will go to Upwork.com, and then you will put ghostwriter. And then you will see all the different people over here. You can get someone for $12 an hour. They have earned $300. You know, the more money they have earned, the more experience they have on this platform. And then you can just check. If you put writer, you can see all the people that will appear on the search engine, and you can just go through each of people, and then you can do a research. You can have a look at people's profile, and then when you click on people's profile, the profile will appear, and then you're gonna see all the experience over here, and then you can make the decision on your own. Advanced search, you might be able to put the specific keywords, and then on the left hand side on Upwork you can search by hourly rate, so you can put $10 to $30, and as well you can search for job success. I will put 90% and up, so that means that people that have left a review, they have always left over 90%, so that's a good indication that this freelancer is good and they can perform the job properly. Another website I like to show you is Fiverr.com, where you can actually as well search for writer, and then you want to see the different gigs over here, and then you can sort by best selling, and you know, you can get an idea of what the price is, how much are they charging. You're gonna have to give them the length of the article so they can start writing, and then, as I say, you know, you can go and do your research and just find the best writers that you think that could do the best job, and then you just hire them, and then you start creating your books. You know, the first book you might not sell as much, but I can guarantee you once that you have 50 to 100 books, everything will add up, and you know, it will start showing up on the Amazon Kindle list, and then, you know, people will be exposed to this, and people will buy your books. Okay. And then an additional thing that I'm gonna show you, if you are very serious about self-publishing and Amazon doing Kindle ebooks, I will recommend you a course which I've done myself, and I have to say that I haven't been paid anything, and I'm not gonna get paid anything, any commission from promoting this course, but it's something I did myself. So I think if you're very interested on doing this type of business, you should go all the way in and actually, you know, take action. So the course is called, I mean, you have to come to masteringbookpublishing.com, and then you can join here. The guy is called Stefan James. Some of you might know him, some of you might don't, but anyways, internet marketing, very well known, and one of his courses he would teach you how to make money with Amazon book publishing. And I did this course myself, and it's very solid. Okay, and as I say, I don't get anything for promoting this. I just try to share value, and I really want to help you, to succeed. So this is something that I recommend. Check it out. If it's for you, just go ahead. But definitely, if you are serious about this strategy and you want to make money with Amazon and selling Kindle books, I highly recommend you to get in-depth knowledge, from someone who has been successful, who has already done it already, so then you can have a better chance to be successful as they do. So either way, this is what I recommend. You can come to his website, check it out. And additionally, if there is for example, let's say if this is not for you, this is not a type of business model you would like to go into building Kindle ebooks and so on, I highly recommend you to click on the first link on the description, because there I have a free training for you, so you can get started with your own business and start making high ticket affiliate commission for selling high ticket products. Okay, so it's a course that I highly recommend for you to take on if this is something that you are not interested in books. I'm always here to give you different ideas. It might work for you, it might not, but if it works for you, as I say, I will suggest you to go to masteringbookpublishing.com, check it out, this course, so then you can do it as well. And otherwise, if you don't want to do the course, you can do it on your own, and I've taught you how you can do it. You can come to Amazon, do your research first, and then once that you gather all the information, you can start publishing your books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Okay, so as I say, if you want to find an alternative way to make thousands of dollars of commissions per month, check the first link in the description. And this is all for today's strategy, guys. I hope that you very enjoyed it. And if you did, please give me a huge thumbs up, because this will really help, for the channel to keep growing and for me to be able to create more videos like this, so I can show you the latest strategies on digital marketing. So I hope that you have an amazing day, an amazing week ahead, and be very successful. Take care now, guys.